Junior Poke the Futurama and Dmitry Mikhailov Fan Enterprises Inc. presents Ben and Holly turns Elmo and Big Bird back to normal/grounded. And it was inspired by Dmitry Mikhailov the Disney fan, and Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Kane Brown fan.
Man, I feel bad that Rocco turned Elmo and Big Bird into monsters yesterday. I wonder how I will turn them back to normal. I have an idea. I'm going to turn Elmo and Big Bird back to normal by using Plotagon logic. But first, I'm going to call Holly if she wants to help me turn them back to normal.
Hello!
Hi Holly, would you like to help me turn Elmo and Big Bird back to normal? Because I feel bad for Rocco turning Elmo and Big Bird into monsters yesterday.
Sure, Ben. I would love to help you turn Elmo and Big Bird back to normal.
Okay. Thank you. See you later.
Meanwhile with Elmo and Big Bird.
Oh Big Bird, Elmo can't believe Rocco turned us into monsters yesterday.
Me too, Elmo. Man, this really sucks.
Ben and Holly, what are you two doing here?
Well, Elmo and Big Bird, we're here to turn y'all back to normal.
Really?
Yes!
Thank you so much, Ben and Holly.
You're welcome. Plotagon logic. Turn Elmo and Big Bird back to normal.
Yay! We're finally back to normal.
Thank you so much, Ben and Holly.
Anytime, Ben and Holly.
Elmo and Big Bird, y'all are back to normal, but how?
Well, Dad, Ben and Holly turned us back to normal by using Plotagon logic.
What? Oh my gosh, Ben and Holly, how dare you all turn Elmo and Big Bird back to normal? Y'all know that they deserved it for causing a lot of trouble. That's it. I am calling Wild's parents about this. Go home now.
No. 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 No.
No, 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 no. No.
When Ben got home.
Oh my god, Ben, I can't believe you and Holly turned Elmo and Big Bird back to normal. You know that they deserved to be turned into monsters for causing a lot of trouble.
But Mom and Dad, it's just that I feel bad for Elmo and Big Bird turning into monsters yesterday.
That does not matter, young man. You are grounded for 36 days. Go to your room right now.
I hate you, Mom and Dad.
At Holly's house.
Seriously, Holly, we cannot believe you and Ben turned Elmo and Big Bird back to normal. You know that they deserve to be turned into monsters for causing a lot of trouble.
That's it.
You're grounded for 16 weeks. Go to your room right now. Fine. Whatever.